car is pretty confidence inspiring. If I were in any other lighter weight car, bouncing around like that would have freaked me out. I can really smell the corn juice being burnt. Oh man. This thing's on another level. This thing is on another level on this tune. And the E30 fuel, man. Woo! Up top is where it's at. Like, pulls hard to 6K. Give it the Italian tune-up every now and then. Make sure the pipes don't clog up. The tires on this thing. I really like this car as a daily. It's a good all-arounder. You can get good gas mileage, and then you can have some fun, all in one package. The inline 6 does it all. That's why the newer B58, S58 engine, people love those. They handle the power of the V8s with the turbos, and they have the fuel economy if you want it to be there. It's awesome. Back to the El Sporte mode. Pop. Maybe they're not from here. Very interesting. Car definitely is a like 1, 2, 3, 4 type gear car where it really pulls. 5th and 6th and up, it pulls still, but the exciting gears are the lower gears. I want to show you another like 0 to 60. I haven't figured out the launch control of this car. I don't know if it's programmed or not, but here. I'm gonna give it a little brake boost. Oh yeah. Too much fun. And back to listening to podcasts and cruising to work, because I gotta get that fuel economy back up. Alright, so being in that Friday mood, I kind of want to turn it up more. Looking at the logs from going stage 2 E30 blend, I saw 0 knock on the engine and the car feels like a top. So I'm kind of interested to flip it to a stage 2 plus just to see the difference. I'm probably not going to rip it once I flip it to stage 2 plus right now. It is 86 degrees out here in Washington, which is kind of wild. But I'm a believer in that higher ethanol fuel. Definitely provides the cooling you need to keep your engine cooler and happy. All right, so we have my wifey Sasha with me today. So people don't think I'm just lying about all these magnificent power gains. We're gonna put the E30 blend stage 2 tune to the wifey test. You ready? Let's see if it's You don't know? Oh, okay. You don't drive like this?
I don't.
Okay. You should more often. It's good for the car. It clears the pipes. Speaking from personal experience. I clear the pipes every day. Ooh, it's a beautiful day out here. This sunset, gotta show it.
I don't know.
Beautiful sunset. Beautiful wife. We're gonna do one more. It's gonna be the you were like expecting it too much.
You were like all ready.
You have to be like relaxed to whiplash. Experience the fun whiplash and stuff. Oh, look over there. Okay, let's just do this, okay?
Let's do this.
You ready? I think I need a faster car to impress you. She's not impressed.
I don't care.
What about the
honestly.
M5? Does that feel faster? Probably. That one makes, some people said it makes them feel nauseous. Kind of fun. We made it to a late night bonanza. Let's go look at people's cars real quick. Can't really see anything. Ooh, Supra like Alex's? Is that Alex's? I know they sold theirs. I think it looks really nice. This looks almost identical. That could be it. I'll have to send him and ask. Out of love. Nice. Ooh. This is the Wang we were admiring. Can I get one of those? I should probably go grab some cards and hand them out. Ask whose cars these are. Yes. That's super cool. Subaru. I think my favorite is the Supra out of everything.